Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all can see from that little entry, you can tell that we got our tune finally for stage 2 plus, or whatever you want to call it. So as you can tell, what we're doing right now, we're getting the tune on and we are about to get this thing running. Let's see, let's follow this really quick. Woo! She started right up, no problem. Alright guys, so as you can tell by the title of the video, we are tuning the car finally. We got the Stage 2 Plus done by Torque Performance. We have a base map and I wanted to record this because we're going to go do some freaking pulls with the new parts on. And like I said, if you have not seen those videos yet, I'm going to have them right up here. Go watch these two videos. We installed the downpipe and also other supporting mods so we don't blow the car up or anything. Or now we're going to push a little bit more power than, hopefully, than obviously what we had before, which we will, but we're gonna see. Hopefully he'll give us a ballpark. I don't know if he'll tell us that, but we're gonna go ahead and get some pulls and I'm gonna have my reaction from stage 1 to stage 2, which is the downpipe and like fuel mods and everything that I did. So hopefully we get a lot more power out. I am super excited. I'm sure y'all are too. I know you just want to hear the freaking thing. That's what I want to do. I want to step on it. We have to do a couple of recommended pulls and driving around. So that's what this video is going to be about. And I will explain myself and tell you all what I'm doing and like who's tuning it and who I went through and how much it was. And it's such a great deal. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I'm assuming a Pro Tune's a lot better, but for the deal I got this at, it'll be running more safer than the off-the-shelf Cobb Stage 2 tune. You know, this is actually, he's gonna be adjusting it to where it should be so I don't run too lean and blow this car up. So let's go ahead and get right with this video. We're gonna roll down the windows and get out here and we'll talk through it and let y'all know what we're doing. Oh boy, that turbo, dude. Freaking turbo. We're gonna go to Mexico and freaking get some full sends in this so we can get those data logs sent back and get this thing tuned to a freaking T. It'll make this car perform almost to its best rating other than a Pro Tune, which I'll get into why I'm not doing a Pro Tune. Guys, I'm gonna be stepping on this thing all the dang time now. It's ridiculous. I just dropped. Let's see if we can get some pops. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, that's so fun. Okay, so what I'm gonna go do now is we're gonna go drive around for a second. We'll just get a little, and what we'll do is roll up the windows and talk to you. Actually, you probably can hear me without it, so we're gonna put you over here. Hopefully you can see me well, I'm not sure. Maybe not. But right now, we're gonna go over just to stop somewhere and I have to do 3 things. Yeah, okay, so I have to do a pull, preferred 4th gear. So we're probably gonna go on the highway and just cruise, get to 2,500 RPMs and just full throttle. So I guess like 25, mash on the throttle all the way to redline, 6,500. So I have to do that and sport. Okay, so I'll show you all, it's the SI drive. I have to do it in sport and sport sharp. Apparently there's different modes, like intelligent is economy. So shout out to Torque Performance for that. You're gonna set me up so I don't kill my freaking gas mileage. So we're gonna do those 2, and then after that we need to do a 10 to 15 minute run. It doesn't matter what drive I'm in, just cruising from like downtown to anywhere. He said downtown to highway and back around, just driving around casual for about 10 to 15 minutes. So wait for it. Oh my god. I hope that didn't move, guys. That's ridiculous. That is so fun. It keeps moving. No. Or we can set y'all there. There we go. Maybe you can see me better there. Oh! Alright, we're gonna sit it still. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. 24. Oh my gosh. That's not good at all. First little hiccup, so we got to check engine light. As you can tell, everything's wonky. We hit 22.4. Dang, that's a lot of boost. That's what my buddy's running. He's on open wastegate. That is crazy. So at the moment right now, the tuner, Eric, great guy, just answered the voicemail, answered back like called me back within like a minute, and we were talking about it, and he, you know, I mentioned the boost controller. I hopped out of the car and he ran through the steps. I even told him where the tube was running to the nipples, and they were all in the right positioning, so maybe it was just a hiccup, who knows. We're gonna push it a little lower and hopefully we run good there. I don't know what happened there. That was pretty scary. I went from 2,500 and just floored it, and that was pretty terrifying. So let's go ahead and head home and get the new map and try this again. So all right, here we go, guys. 2,500 RPMs. That was pretty freaking terrifying. That was really terrifying. We got 19.6. Let's go. Sweet. Alrighty guys, now since we got that one, we're gonna go into Sport Sharp and try that again. That was pretty scary. We hit 104. What? That was fourth gear. That was pretty freaking sick, guys. So hopefully we can turn around the other way and do the exact same thing. We're gonna try that now. The Cummins up there, beauty. Woo. Here we go, guys, ready? Let's go, let's slow down a little bit. Full throttle. Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's go! Dude, that was so fun. Woo. So we got 2 of those. Now I have to do one of just driving around. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and do that here. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go near downtown. I'm gonna start it when we get a little further towards another spot I know of. But we have the 2, I guess, scary ones. Okay, guys, I recommend finding a straight spot, but I can see the weather. The weather behind us is not looking too happy, so that's not a good thing. But we did get a good pool. We got 2 good pools. One in Sport Sharp and one in regular. Oh my gosh. Is that my car smoking? Guys, that's so scary. There's smoke coming out of that one. Oh my gosh, I was like, what does that smell? It smells like clutch. That's not good. But so we got the 2 most important ones, which I was terrified about. I didn't know where to do it. I kind of found a spot. I found 2 Mexico spots, so that's a good one. So if we ever need to do that again, we know where to go. So now we're just gonna go ahead and, like I said, up here, I'm gonna turn on. He wants some cruising, just a 10 to 15 minute cruise. So we're gonna start when we get up here in a minute. I'm gonna turn on the AC for this one because. All right, so now let's go over why I chose a Etune over a ProTune. So number one for me, with me being a college student, I've been over this before, but with me being a college student, I'm limited on money and also have to pay for bills. I have a lot of stuff I gotta pay for right now. So pricing is a big thing for me, and anything I have to do like this. Great, my phone already fell. There we go, okay. So like I was, come on! The biggest reason is because of pricing. I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Eric from Torque Performance. Awesome dude, like I was mentioning earlier. Called him, left him a voicemail, called me right back within a minute with the tune. And he's a super busy guy, as I could tell. As how many people he tuned. He was tuning 5 different Austins. I'm like, basic name, right? But 5 other like Austins. I don't know if they were Subarus, probably, who knows. But He hooked me up. He's like, here, I'm gonna send you the map too. And that's what he did. He sent it right away to me within literally like a minute after the phone call. And I went right home, changed it out, and now look, we got those two that ran perfectly fine. I'm gonna go ahead and send him those here shortly when I get back home after I do this one. $200 for his e-tuning. One of my buddies, not gonna disclose anything, but went to a place in Knoxville, cost him $800 to get a dual map. Now, however, that is a Pro Tune, so that's gonna be more precise and I guess more safe, who knows. I'm sure you can have safe parameters through e-tuning, but that's a deal breaker for me. From $200 to $800, that's crazy. The amount of price, I'd rather hook up on the computer and take, you know, maybe a couple days instead of one day. So that's one reason. Another reason, I mean, just practicality for me. After installing all these parts, I didn't want to drive like a 4-hour drive. Even though if I did baby it, it'd be fine, but I didn't want to drive to a tuner. Around here in Johnson City, Tennessee, there's really no, like, I guess, professional tuner. Maybe, I've never heard of one. So you'd have to drive a little bit. So that's a little bit out of the way, especially when you're super busy or something. And overall, other than that, I mean, it's something different. It's cool, and that's why I recommend if you all do get a tune, well, not even a tune, but if you get some parts for your Subaru or anything that you need, and you need a tune, and you have no idea where to go, or you're not located anywhere near, eTune is another good option. Just go on Torque Performance. If you have, I don't know, I'm sure he tunes other things, but just go on any website for e-tuning, and you can find, as long as they tune your car, send them, you know, you just got to send them a couple things and email them. That's all you got to do. That's literally all you have to do. That's crazy. So I just emailed, I actually called him first, talked to him, told him about the parts I installed, and next day later, he sent me an invoice, paid it, same day, gave me the tune, and we're already freaking going, dude. We already have something that we can, there was a Subi buddy, I know him, but now we're pretty much good to go. I'll let you know how this goes next. I don't know what we do next. I'm assuming it's like revised or something. He might change it a little bit more, but we peaked at 20.2. That is crazy. That's a lot of freaking boost, guys. We went up from like style on the off-the-shelf tune stage 1 I was on. It was like 17 or 18 pounds of boost. It's 3 more pounds, and I can tell the speed. It was a big difference, and it's a lot louder. That is sick. How much louder it is, it's amazing. And there's a comment. And if you want, just leave me a comment down below and I'll tell you anything that my knowledge is. You might know more than me, so if you know something about e-tuning that I didn't, go ahead and just shoot me a comment and let me know. Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to end the video there. I knew this video was probably all over the place, but I wanted to get a video out so bad. Guys, it has been a hectic 2 months, but hopefully, I gotta stop saying this because it never works out. But hopefully we can get back on track and start making some more videos. Next video is going to be a big surprise. Now, you might have seen it in this video. If you did, leave a comment below. But big surprise, been working really hard on one of my other videos. One of my other videos I talked about was my goals for 2020, and it has been one hell of a year so far, and I've been loving it. I'm telling you, it's been a great year. But this is why I've been so busy, and it has been a journey so far, especially with all the COVID situations, my business, just my family. It's something else. But literally, if you have any questions, hit up Torque Performance. I am like on revision 6 right now, and he always gets back with me within like literally a day, if not sooner. Like, it's always sooner, but I've been really busy. I haven't gotten to drive the car much, and it's been a mess. But we are getting really close to finally getting, I guess, the best tune possible for this car over a computer, and sending him logs just from 3 logs, and it's crazy. But I definitely recommend him for the price. Dude, blowing out the water. But hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, press that sub button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.